What's up, guys? Haven't talked in a long time. This video is just gonna be more about my install and how the before and afters of the PSC steering box. It's a little loose, not terrible. I've seen way worse ones than mine, but yeah, it has a little bit of play in it. Right now it's off, so obviously, but yeah, it's not the greatest. And why? The only reason I even bought it in the first place is because my steering wheel, it was like, it's leaking really bad, and I'm like, do I really want to crack it open, reseal it and whatnot? But I'll show you here in a second how bad it is. And yeah, let's see if it's up to the hype, as the way everyone says it. Kind of one of those things where it's got to be, you buy the money and you don't have to worry about it ever again. So yeah, we're off. I was going to show you the leakage, which I've shown in my other previous videos. Pretty much just covering my whole thing leaking. But yeah, somewhere in there, I can't really see. But anyways, yeah, she's leaking pretty good. And so we're getting her all fixed up here at Adrenaline. Cameron will do a good job on it. So taking the 2022 home, and yeah, so hopefully I get it fixed tomorrow. Got my truck back, and I can tell you it is like night and day. It literally feels like I'm turning on highway tires. Like if I'm just kind of in a parking lot just turning and stuff, it literally feels like I'm just on these regular highway tires. Like it used to be a little hard. It was like harder to turn, but now it's crazy. Like I was like, oh, it's gonna be nice but not crazy. So it's kind of dirty still, but from all the leaking. But there she is, Kryptonite and PSC. I was talking to Cam and Aaron and Tara over there, but literally said that it took them 2 guys to hold it in place and get everything all bolted down and together, because it's so much heavier and bigger than the stock one. Let's see if you can. So nice. She's all in. Way better. Now she's gonna get aligned, and also planning on getting some Kryptonite tie rods. So we'll finish her up like that, but definitely well worth it. It was kind of a shorter video because I obviously didn't do the install, but kind of glad it didn't, because they had some little bit of issues. I've been struggling just doing it by myself, but I know it's possible. But I can literally, like, yeah, it's well worth the money. It's like a little closer to 800 bucks, but plus then you got to buy the pitman arm, and so you're closer to, just with taxes and depending where you are, closer to $1,000. Definitely worth it. Then you don't have to worry about it ever again. Do it. It's kind of expensive, but it's well worth it. Do it. Spend some money. Get a loan. Put another mortgage on your house or something, but buy one. Get one.